tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, a half tablespoon salt, a half teaspoon black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon baking soda. Mix well. One and a half cup all-purpose flour. Mix well. A quarter cup water. 1 carrot grated. 1 cup cabbage cut finely. 1 onion cut finely. 2 potatoes grated. 2 green chilies finely chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. 2 tablespoons water. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. 1 cup prepared mixture. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. 1 teaspoon cooking oil. Flip it. Cover and cook the other side on low flame for 5 minutes.